Good morning, Mike and the marketing team over at Elite Exteriors. My name is Josh Nelson. Just got off the phone with Mike a little bit ago. I wanted to get this custom video sent over to you guys, kind of showing where I see some room for improvement and maybe why you guys aren't getting the customer base that you guys deserve to be getting. So a few things we're going to run over are your guys' website, do a quick audit on that, as well as some back-end stuff in regards to SEO, as well as your guys' social media marketing. I originally seen your guys' Facebook ad, which is why I found you. I called you. I see you guys get a lot of interaction on there. But regardless, nevertheless, let's jump into it here. So we have your guys' website. Great looking website overall. I think it's actually a phenomenally built website. I see you guys got a little bit of content right here. Some of you guys' what you guys' services are. Some more content right here. I don't see a ton of content. Sorry, services right here. I don't see a ton of content on here, and I don't see a lot of the keywords that are bolded are really pushed out to your guys' homepage. So your guys' homepage isn't going to rank as easy because you guys don't have the content. Google loves content, and you don't have it loaded with keywords. And one way we can really define that and why I know that they're not there is with a tool I like to use called Ahrefs. So we take your guys' URL up here, and we bring it over into our tool here called Ahrefs. This is a guideline. This isn't 100% accurate, but it is a tool and a guideline that I like to use. So right here we have you guys pulled up. It shows me a few different things. A URL rating as well as a domain rating. You guys have 24 and 8 right now. The good rule of thumb is to have this at a golden ratio. So something like a 22 or 23 to 24, we kind of want these numbers evened out. As well as we want to get our backlink numbers up and our organic keyword numbers up. Once we get backlinks, then I'll add your referring domains. The referring domains just hold those backlinks. So this is some numbers that we definitely want to get up. You guys only currently have 26 organic keywords. I see you've added one to it. You've added one backlink here. You guys are adding. That's phenomenal. But because of how competitive your industry is, you definitely should be adding this a lot faster. One here and there is not going to do you guys anything. You might grow to the second or third page on Google within a year or two time at one backlink, a month or a week, whatever it may be. This is really something you can target a lot of backlinks in because this industry is so competitive. But we're going to compare you to your competition, figure out where you're lacking, where you can improve. So one thing we want to do is search on Google for a keyword, something like roofing and growth heights, right? You guys just moved here, so maybe you want to start targeting more localized keywords around Invergrove. The first thing we see is actually the Google My Business section right here. We're always ever going to get 3 of them. So being in the top 3 is going to be massive for that. In all reality, it's not going to be too hard. I see you guys have 19 reviews for Earth Friendly, 14 for Supreme Contracting. Crutch Exteriors is 114, so that's definitely going to be one to shoot for, is that 100 to 120 mark in regards to your reviews. This will help you guys out, boosting up your reviews, optimizing this as well. But I'm not going to focus on that. We are going to focus on the organic section. So when you scroll down past here, we get all of the organics. We want to be on the first page, and we see right here, Crutch Exteriors. They're at the top for the Google My Business portion, and they're also at the top for this ranking keyword specifically, is Crutch Exteriors. And so we want to take a difference and look at what their website looks like versus yours right here. Review us on Google. That is huge. You guys don't have that on yours, so that's definitely lacking for you. That's a big good thing to have. You got the request an estimate right there. That's good. They've got some more content like this. See, absolutely loaded with content versus you guys. And they're jamming keywords and backlinks into their site. So we will do the same thing we did with you guys. We'll compare them and figure out why are they doing better. Like I said, right here, this golden ratio, right? 19 to 18. They're going to rank better because they've got these evened out. They've got 636 backlinks and 2.3 thousand organic keywords. Now, just because they got more numbers doesn't necessarily mean that they're doing better. It's not about the numbers game completely, partially, but it's more about quality. So what we can do is actually with you guys, we can compare. We want to go in, we want to figure out every single backlink that they have, if it's valuable, if it's going to draw more power to you guys, and we can go through each and every single one. There's all different kinds of backlinks. Your marketing agency understands these, but we go in and we figure out every single backlink that your competitor has locally, right? Not just Crutch Exteriors. We go out, we find the top 3 competitors, and we compare all of their backlinks as well as all of their keywords. So definitely want to be doing that. We will go into their keywords as well. You guys only had 23 keywords. They have 2.3 thousand keywords. So because they have more keywords, they're going to be found more. They have more options when people are searching online. They're going to be found faster because they have the keyword in their website. Same thing as the backlinks. We could go in and figure out each and every single one of them. What are good? What are bad? Soffit damage. Right now, that has an 80 search volume per month globally, and they are in the first position for that right now when they search it locally. Siding repair Minneapolis, 70 search volume every single month, and they're in first position for that. Hardy board, 8,100 search volume. They're in position number 3. We can go through every single one of these and really figure all of this out, but that is really ultimately what it takes in order to get you guys a good marketing plan, to get you guys growing as you would like to be, and get those customers coming in the door. We've just gone through storm season. I know you guys want to be found. You want to be out doing inspections. You want to be doing repairs. You want to be doing new installs, new builds, things like that. I get it. I've known this industry. We've helped roofers for the last year and a half grow their websites online and start getting more customers in the door. So with that being said, there's all kinds of things we could do. I'd go over you guys' Facebook page if you wanted to hear more, but I don't want to waste your time too much. I just wanted to give you some good, valuable information that can help you guys out. Feel free to pass this along as we originally talked about, or if you like what you hear, feel free to give us a call back and we can do some more chatting. But regardless, this video is for you guys to use at your own discretion. I hope you guys found this video useful. Hope you have a great day, Mike. Best of luck to you. Thanks.